Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make quick bread rolls. First, gather your dry ingredients: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Next, you'll need 6 tablespoons of very cold butter, cut into small cubes. Finally, have 3/4 of a cup of cold milk ready. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit now, so it's ready when your rolls are. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, whisk together your flour, baking powder, and salt until they are well combined. Next, add the cold, cubed butter to the dry ingredients. Use a pastry blender or your fingertips to cut the butter into the flour until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Finally, pour in the cold milk slowly, mixing gently with a fork until a soft, shaggy dough just comes together. Avoid overmixing for tender rolls. It's time to shape our delicious rolls. Lightly flour a clean surface and turn out your dough. Gently knead it just a few times, then pat it into a circle about 1 inch thick. Use a 2-inch round cutter, or even a drinking glass, to cut out approximately 12 rolls. Place them on an ungreased baking sheet. Bake in your preheated 400 degree Fahrenheit oven for 12 to 15 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown. Your quick bread rolls are ready. For an extra touch of deliciousness, brush the tops of the warm rolls with a little melted butter right after they come out of the oven. This adds a lovely shine and rich flavor. Serve them immediately with your favorite meal or a spread of butter and jam. They are perfect for any occasion. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your cleaning game, check the description for a link to a fantastic robot vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.